Whether you're a beginner or a pro, from tightening screws or assembling furniture, then this 7-piece kit has got everything you need. This kit includes the M12 FP D2 Combi Drill, 45 Nm of torque, 13mm chuck, 13 speed settings, 2 speed controls, battery gauge, and an LED light. Very powerful machine. On to the next one. This M12 FI D2 impact driver got 107 Nm of torque. It's got 4 modes, 1/4-inch truck, tri-LED lights, a very compact machine. On to the next one. This is the M12 FCOT cut-off saw. This provides you with accurate cutting, going up to 20,000 RPMs, 16.3 depth of cut. It's got also a dust extraction port, and it's a very lightweight machine. On to the next one is the M12 CH 12-volt SDS rotary hammer drill. This is the industry's first 12-volt hammer drill that does 1.1 joules. This machine does 900 RPM, a very low up vibration. It's got 2 speed settings. Also, this machine is compatible with all M12 12-volt batteries. Very lightweight, very efficient to use. On to the next one is the M12 FMT brushless multi-tool. This has got 1.8 degrees of oscillating angle, LED light, battery gauge, very lightweight, very easy to use. Another one in this kit is the M12 JS Compact Jigsaw. This jigsaw comes with a very comfortable handle, does very smooth cuts with also variable speed control. It's got a bevel cut that goes up to 45 degrees, also has a battery gauge, very lightweight, very easy, another one to use. Last but not least is my favorite. It's the Packout area light. It's got an adjustable light, does 700 lumens, also lasts on 24 hours on a fully charged battery. And last but not least is the best bit, you can also charge your phone. This kit also includes the M12 charger, also comes with 2 12-volt 2-amp batteries, also 2 6-amp 12-volt batteries, also 2 Packout cases. The main reason to buy this kit, as you saw when I was introducing the tools, they're all compact and lightweight while obviously in use. Shop this now at toolsfortrade.co.uk.